Hi everybody, in this video we'll explain how to connect Sibs together and how to organize a graph properly. Let's take an example, it will be clearer. To start, maximize the window, it will be better. For example, here we have several Sibs that are not connected. First of all, let's deal with the first Sib. So, to connect it to the second one, just do it like this. Place the cursor on this box, there is stated create connection, and hold the mouse button until you reach your destination. Then, to link these attributes, you just have to do it like this, for example. And so on and so forth. The principle is the same until the end. Start from here and come here. And the same for this one. In the data context, you have to start from this box here. You can start from this box anyway. Now let's tidy up the process. First of all, a practical trick to see the entire graph if it takes up too much space is to use these buttons to zoom in or out, or to use the keyboard by combining the Ctrl and less keys or Ctrl and plus keys. Now let's align the seeds. The principle is very simple. So just select this part of the Sib here, hold down the left mouse button and move the Sib. We notice that if we try to align with the Sib above, an orange line appears and means that the Sibs are aligned. Okay. This will allow the arrow to become straight, as seen here. Of course, Sibs can be aligned from top to bottom, but also from left to right and vice versa.